Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to write the letter E. Okay, so the most basic letter is kind of like C. We've seen it before, so it goes just like C, but you go a little bit further. Start with a curved stroke and then go here. Okay, so you can connect it this way, pretty low, or you can connect it this way. You go down and further to the bottom of the letter you go up, and it looks kind of like a smiley letter E. That's how I like to call it. These are the basic shapes, and now we'll show you the real fun one. I really like to draw. It looks kind of from graffiti, and you can add a stroke here even. Yeah, but that's real nice. It can look really great in some kind of sign painter style. So let's try it with a brush pen. So start just like C, go down here and connect. That's the basic one, but as you see, you can make the second stroke pretty thin. This will look okay, and as well you can make it a little bit bolder to the bottom, as you see here. And let's try a smile one. Something like this, and this one could be pretty tricky. Let's see if I can draw it nicely. Something like this, yeah. Could brighten up your lettering, this letter E. Let's try it in a word. Also, the letter E is pretty often is at the end of the word, so it can be used for the opening of a swash. So it could be something like this. Let's try it in a word now. Let's start with the word easy, because it's a pretty easy letter. Probably got too fancy here, so I will need to add some volume. Something like this. Easy. Let's try it inside the word. Let's do it with the word T. And see how it will look like. Okay, and this would need some fixes. Yeah, can add a real nice variety to your lettering. That's cool. You can even make it even more bolder here. Yeah, something like this. And now let's try it in the end of the word. And for this one I chose the word mate. So there's 13 with an M, A, T, E, and let's make it like this one. Swash. Yes, perfect. So that's how you can write the letter E. Enjoy!